Now we need to reward the player for a safe landing. First, create a variable named score. Then add a step to the initialization thread to set the score variable to 0 when the game is started. Next, use what you've learned so far to modify the event handler thread to do the following. Check if the speed of the spaceship is greater than -3, and if so, then add 1 to the score variable. Pause the video now to try it yourself, or let it play to see how to create the code. Now click the flag button to give it a try. What happens to the score when you land? The score keeps increasing and never stops. Why is that happening? Watch Lesson 14 to find out. For more videos in this series, please subscribe to the DSU Education channel. Thank you.